That's quite important for me because I'm available only till 5 o'clock today.
Okay.
Okay, so with all this, I wanted to have the class only till 6 today and extend the class 15 minutes next week. And you guys didn't come for the first 15 minutes. I'm not at all fine with it, okay? Because I
Mhm.
have canceled so many other things and I'm delaying mine till 6, till 5 o'clock your time. So I really want you to remember and come for the class on time without reminders. If that's not going to happen, I'm going to cancel the Saturday class. Okay, and I don't at all, I'm not fine with just the two of you. You see what I mean? I want you to come to the Thursday class. However, does it work for you Thursdays? But anyway,
It
Arjun is
does.
there and you, no, but if you enjoy this, definitely come. I don't have a problem. You see what I mean? But at the same time, it is your duty to remember. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma. What are they teaching in school? And algebra, meaning in algebra 1.
We finished transformations this week, actually.
You finished transformations. Okay. Okay. Was it easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you use anything that we are using here?
Yeah, I just started transformations last week and it helped when I got them.
We got there. Okay, they finished transformations, huh?
Yeah, we took a test on Friday about it.
How was it, Ma? Can you, meaning, do you have the copy of the test or anything?
I don't I don't think so. She hasn't released it yet.
Okay. What type of questions were asked for you? That was one thing I had a doubt on because looks like they took it very easy, right?
Some of them were like we were given an equation and we had to identify
What transformations they were?
um
Uh-huh.
reflection, shifting, reflection, and then stretch or compression.
So it was easy overall, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so transforming linear functions is done. Okay, so see, this is what I taught the other class. Same thing I want to go over with you guys too. So let's see. How about this? Suppose if I have one second, ma. One second, ma.
Mhm.
Yeah, I don't have the. See, if you're given two functions, right, Lasya, meaning if you're given two functions, f of x and g of x, if I give you, right, Lasya, I'm wondering, would you be able to, let's say, let me give you this function, Lasya, let me know whether you're understanding it, okay? This is what I taught in the other class, ma. I don't know whether you, I think, I feel like you already know about it. So let's see. If I give you the function, um, okay. If I give you the function 3x plus 7, how about this? Mm, okay. Okay, if I give you the function 3x plus 7, ma, the given function is 3x plus 7, f of x equal to 3x plus 7. Can you tell me about the domain and range for this function? Do you know how to graph it and tell me the domain and range for this function? You can take your time, but let me know. Me, keep talking and whatever you know, I'm fine. Not particular that you have to know this or that. I'm just asking, what do you know? I can help you, ma. You can always tell. Hmm. Tell me. Do you know what is the domain and range of this function? That we have discussed, right, Amma?
Yeah.
So
Can you-
just discuss. I am here to help you. You don't have to be afraid at all. Next one is, suppose if I have g of x, right, ma, given by this table, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the x, and on the y, you have 20, 24, 28, 20, 24, 28, 32. In this case, what is the domain? What is the range? Is this easier, ma?
Yeah.
Tell me.
For the second one, it would be a discrete function.
Mm-hmm.
Domain would be 5, 6, 7, 8, and then range would be 20, 24, 28, 32.
Oh, nice. Okay. Here?
Um, it would
Mhm.
be
Go ahead. Go ahead. It's
would
not a
it
hard one.
would
It's not
it
a hard
would
one.
it not be infinity?
Would it?
Not be in it's all real numbers, right?
Yeah. So how would you? Yeah, all real numbers, both domain and range. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's do this one. How about this? I'm going to change this. Let's see. How about this? Um, okay. What do you say about the rate of change of f of x? Let's say my f of x is given by this table. Okay. What is the rate of change of f of x? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. On this side, I have 22, 29, 36, 43, 50. Can you let me know the rate of change?
The rate it changes the slope, right?
Yes.
7.
Good job, Ma. So you know these nicely, right? See, that's what I also thought with you. Ma, in this case, right, with respect to the domain and range, right, Ma, you can take it as 22 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 50. I understand it is a discrete function, but you can consider that as these are all linear functions. Okay, I'll tell you that these are all linear functions. In that case, you can have your domain as this, Ma. You got it? You don't have to take it as discrete at all here. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if I give you the domain of a function is -4 is less than x is less than or equal to -1. Okay. F of x is defined by this table, ma. F of x or f of x is defined by this rule. What is the range, ma? See, you are understanding so much easier. Go ahead. Go ahead, ma.
Mm.
What is the range? Meaning, you tell
Can
me
I
what.
draw it out?
No, no, no. What are you going to do? Tell me. Meaning, I can help you with that, right? Before even you do. Do you know what are you going to do with that? You're given the domain, right?
Mm-hmm.
For finding the range, what will you do?
Oh,
You know the domain, right?
the range would end at 9.
The
Wait,
range.
no. Wait, how would it have a y-intercept if it ends at x is equal to -1?
Can I do it for you?
Yes, please.
Can you substitute? See, -4 is the lowest x value, -1 is the highest x value, right? Can you
Yeah.
substitute, plug in, and find the corresponding y values? You see what I mean? You see what I mean, huh?
Yeah.
Tell me the corresponding y values. There is a catch on that. I want you to tell me what are the corresponding y values.
Okay. Yeah. For -4, it's 1.
For -4, it's 1. Good, good. Mm-hmm.
And then for -1, it's 7.
Okay. So the domain ranges from this. That's all, ma'am.
But my question is, if the range ends, the domain ends at -1, then the line wouldn't go past -1. So how would it have a y-intercept?
Illa, I don't get your question. Can you tell me? You want me to draw the line?
Can you draw a graph?
Yeah.
So, wait, can I draw on it?
Please, Ma, you don't have to ask.
So if that was -1 and that was -4, -3, -2, since the domain and the range is this and the domain is this, the line couldn't go past the -1. So how would
Oh,
it
correct,
have a
correct, correct,
y-intercept?
correct, correct. But here they are restricting the line to be like this.
Uh-huh.
You get it? This is a line segment that starts here, that ends here.
But the
It
equation
is
you
not
gave me,
continuing.
the equation you gave me has a
Yes,
y-intercept.
the equation I gave you extends forever, but I gave you that the domain of this line segment is this.
Oh, okay.
You
I
got
see.
it?
Yeah.
Good question, good question. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this, Ma? This is the domain of my function, okay? F of x is written as 3 by 4x plus 10. Okay, g of x is given by this table. There are two functions I'm talking about. You see, Ma?
Mm-hmm.
This took one whole class for me in the other class. 23 by 2 because they took time to understand there. That's okay. How about this? Can you tell me, you know what I want here? I really want you to find initial value means they're always asking for the y value. You got it, Ma? They're always asking for the y value. They ask for the initial value. You got it?
Okay.
For f of x and g of x, I want the initial value and range, Ma. Come on, try quickly.
The The range would be 6 by 4 is less than or equal to y less than or equal to 18 by 4.
For both the function, did you find?
Yeah, no, for both the functions.
Yeah, for both the functions is what I wanted. And then tell me. Because I really want to make sure you understand and then move on. I really don't want to spend time on this because I feel like you'll know already. That's what I thought about the other class, but it took time. Let's see.
So
Just try. Let's see.
f of x is less than or no, f of x is 6 by 4 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 18 by 4. And then g of x is equal to 14 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to
I am
so
sorry. See here, 9,
what?
9 is the other value.
Yeah, is that like 6 or 9 was what I was gonna
That's
ask.
true. But then the lowest value should be on the left side, right? Did you forget? Lowest value should be on the left side, right? Give me 1 minute, Ma. Give me 1 minute. I just want to, what happened to the breakout room? Did you see, Ma? Meaning, when I have you this f of x and g of x, when you write down, right, I gave you f of x is equal to 3 by 4x plus 10. Did you use this?
Yeah.
And then I gave you 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. I asked you for initial value and what? What
And
was
the
it?
range.
The range, yeah. So the g of x, I told you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I had 14, 51 by 4, 23 by 2, 41 by 4, 9. You got it?
Yeah. I realized they were going down after you said it.
Yeah. So what should happen?
G of x is 9 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 14.
Good. So you always make sure This starts with the lowest value. You got it? This is what I said. You cannot say like this. You got it? This is incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay, so you understand it so quickly. I'm so proud of you. See, that's one thing driving me to get this class going. Okay, so you got this. Did you get this?
Yeah.
What was that?
It was 6 by 4 is less than or equal to y is less
Again, last year, I cannot accept you telling 6 by 4. Why can't I accept you?
it's
I
not
hate to
simplified.
see you telling 6 by 4. Huh?
It's not simplified.
Exactly. Those things with you, I cannot accept. Go ahead.
1.5 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 4.5.
Better, ma. Got it?
Yeah.
Nice. You should always remember me. My monster face should come in front of you and say, oh, oh, no. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Because that way you'll remember, right?
Yeah.
You know how to find the y-intercept, x-intercept, no?
Yeah,
Okay, good. Okay. So you have the book with you, right?
I do.
Okay. So you're going to work on that exercise completely. I don't want to give you more inputs on that, I feel. Yeah, you know. Okay, let's move on. Parallel perpendicular lines, did I teach you?
No.
Oh, no?
Oh, you did.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. No, I was also a little confused a minute. Okay. So now till 312, can you complete from 299 to 312? Let me note it down. 299 to 312. Can I put it in Google Classroom?
Okay.
299 to 312. I'm going to put it in the Google Classroom. You have the book, right? So you'll be able to do from the book, right?
Yeah.
You don't have answer keys, you should always ask. Algebra 1 Saturday 299 to 312. Book exercises. If you don't have the answer, you'll ask me, right, ma? For the key.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I put that in Google Classroom as well for you. Okay. Now, okay, quickly, ma, to just quiz you. Okay. Which equation is in slope intercept? Which equation is the y-intercept of -2? Y-intercept is equal to -2. Which equation has it? It can be multiple answers as well. So you need to work it out and see once. I take it as A, B, C, D. Try, ma.
B is one of them.
Yeah.
Um, C is also one of them. Yeah, B and C.
Interesting. Yeah, you're right. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's fine. Okay, how about this? Book seems to have an invalid answer key. Okay, what is the x-intercept of this, ma? These are just quizzes. What is the x-intercept here? X-intercept means, oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go ahead, ma.
You'd have to substitute y for 0 then, right?
That's a good one. That's a very good one. Yes. Yes. Message. Okay. That's good, ma. You don't need to do, ma. As long as you understand the concept, I'm going to move on. Okay. On transformation, I want to give you something. How about this, ma? How about this, ma? G of x equal to minus 4x. What are the transformations?
A reflection and a stretch.
Reflection and
Stretch.
stretch by a factor of
4.
reflection on.
Reflection on x-axis.
Okay, I'll take it. Suppose if I have it like this, ma. Suppose if I have it like this, ma. Y will be equal to. What do you think about this? Do you know what is that? Meaning, I just
Yeah,
want to.
that's a reflection on the y-axis,
Mm,
and that's a compression of 1/4.
good job. Very nice, lady. Proud of you. How about this? Okay. I also thought about inequalities in the other class. How about this, ma? Suppose if I give you 3x plus 5, you are really observing fast, is greater than or equal to 30. Can you change it to y? Can you change it to y equal to? Y equal to means here it's greater than or equal to, right? Can you change it to this format? Quick, ma?
Y is greater than or equal to -3/5x plus 6.
Oh, very nice. Y, yeah, you got everything. See, nice. Y is greater than or equal to negative 3 by 5x plus 6. Do you know how to graph this? See, this is not an equation, right? What is it called?
An inequality.
Inequality, right? It's not an equation, right? As is. So how will you do this? How will you graph it? So 6 is going to be the 6 is going to be the y-intercept, right?
Mhm.
Right. So it's going to be like this, right?
Mhm.
Now, Lasya, when you graph it, right, you know how to graph an equation. Equation will have equal to sign, correct, Lasya?
Yeah.
But here, I'm going to show you how to graph an inequality. To remember, when you do this, right, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you're going to flip the sign. You'll remember that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you want to draw a line, right? When you want to draw a line, here, there, see, consider the y-axis, ma. First, let me show you how to color. Consider the y-axis, okay? Always remember this is your line. That is your line, right?
Yeah.
Now they're asking, hey, what pieces of my y is greater than or equal to this line? So will you color region 1 or region 2?
Region 1.
Yep. Whatever part of the y is above the line is what I'm going to cover. Got it, ma?
Yeah.
Get it, huh?
So that whole part would just be shaded
Yeah,
in.
yeah. If I have a point here, let's say 8, 8. Is it a solution to this inequality?
Yeah.
Yes. Substitute 8 and 8. Yes, it is greater than 0. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
But suppose I take a point on this line, 0, 6. Is it a solution to the inequality? 0, 6.
Yes.
Yes. So what are you getting here? 0, 6. If you put in, it's on the line, right? If it is on the line, you will always get equal to 30. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah.
Here, the inequality is saying greater than or equal to. You see?
Uh-huh.
So, to show the difference, you will always you will always put it in dark color. You got it?
Yeah.
If there is a greater
So
than
if it
equal to,
was
suppose if it is like this, what would happen, ma? Only less than is there.
the
See,
line wouldn't be that.
anyway, you need to draw this line. Okay, let me draw this
Yeah.
line. But what would happen? The points on the line, are they
They
solutions?
won't be counted. They won't be counted.
Yeah, the point 0, 6 is not a part of the solution because whatever line you draw has to be less than 30. So which area will you color? 2 or 1? just see the y-axis. They are saying any part of the y-axis. What was the given thing? Let me see. 5y less than 30 minus 3x. So divide by 5, y is less than 6 minus 3 by 5x, right? So in this case, should I color region 1 or region 2? Above the line or below the line? Look at only the y-axis. Y-axis is your clue. They're asking for all y. What is
No.
it? No, which one I'll color? 1 or 2?
2.
2. Now, when I color the two p's, right? Will this point 0, 6 be a part of this? 0, 0, 6 is a point on the line, right?
Yeah.
Is it a part of this inequality? Is it a solution to this inequality?
No.
No, because there is no equal to sign.
No.
So the line is your
Yeah.
equal to sign. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Since the equal to sign is not there, you should not thicken the line. You should draw as dotted lines.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. With all this said and done, right? I really want you to be able to do one question. That's all. Okay. Minus 14 plus 2x is less than minus x. Now, please, what did I do? Please draw this line, draw this inequality. Please draw this inequality. Once you draw this inequality, show me the graph. Show me what region you colored and stuff. Try.
I would have to divide by -1 first, though.
You have to.
Divide by -1 first.
Correct,
Right?
ma. Everything is correct. Yes. Ma, you can be confident, Lasya. You're doing it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to unblur my background.
What is it, ma?
Yeah. Okay. Look like that.
1 second, ma. 1 second, ma. Lady, one thing what I need you to understand is you have to be very clear with, is it a dashed line or a thickened line?
Yeah, I drew it and then I forgot that it was supposed to be dotted.
So now you got it?
Yeah.
You clearly understand, huh? Sorry, one more can I give you? Okay, for this one, you're going to frame the equation. Okay. Amma, if you don't mind, today I have to go by 6, meaning 5 your time. But I will make sure I'll be available for you 10 minutes more for the class next week. Okay.
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 Yeah.
But log in on time. That's my only request. Okay. Now, please, I really want to finish this because you're too fast and I'll just go with that. Okay. Let's do this one. You're going to try this one. Okay. Are you able to read my writing?
Yeah.
Try this one, ma.
8.25 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 0.75y.
Come again, 8 point?
8.25 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 0.75y.
Okay, can you draw the meaning inequality graph, ma? Oh my goodness, I was able to finish the next one as well. You're really nice, Lasya. Keep going with this. 341, 351, 341 to 351. Please do the homework, ma.
Oh.
341. Should I put it in the classroom? 341 to 351. Go ahead, ma. You can finish. There are 2 assignments, ma. Please definitely do and come, ma. You're going to be benefited. Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
how do I put this inequality into like slope intercept form?
Why? Why do you ask me that question?
How would I find the y-intercept though?
What question is that? Let me see. Meaning I'm not getting what you're asking. Why, ma? Why do you ask? Multiply the whole equation by 100. Take out the decimals. Easy?
125
Is that easy?
plus 75y.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Mm.
200. Wait, but wait, I'm still confused.
You're still confused. What was the equation you got, ma?
After I multiply by
You
100?
said 8.25 is greater than or equal to 0.75y plus 2x, correct?
Yes.
8.25 is greater than or equal to 0.75y plus 2x, right? Multiply by 100 throughout, ma. 825 is greater than or equal to 75x plus 200x. That's all, right?
Why would the x go to the 75?
You got it?
Yeah, but like, how would you find the y-intercept or put a point?
Go ahead and divide by 25 everywhere, right?
Oh,
Divide by 20. You got it?
8x
Divide by 3 minus 8x divided by 3. You got it?
yeah.
That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Very easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So only thing you have to manipulate certain things, that's all. So how will you write this? Y is less than or equal to minus 8 by 3x plus 11. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's it. And then you can draw the graph. Will you draw a thickened? No, just tell me, will you draw a thickened line or a dotted line?
Big line.
Thick line. Good. I'll stop here, ma. Okay. 2
Okay.
homework posted, but please do the homework and come.
Yeah.
See, if you learn, I think you'll finish the book quickly. Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Are you using in class, ma, whatever we are discussing? I just want to be
Yes.
sure. Okay. Okay, ma. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.